Hey besties! Welcome back to my channel. Let's be honest, when was the last time you actually took care of your lips? Yeah, not just putting on lip tint and calling it skincare. Today, we're fixing that. I'm giving you the ultimate lip care guide. No gatekeeping. Here's the tea. Your lips don't have oil glands. So, while the rest of your face is out here getting oily for free, your lips are out there suffering in silence. That's why they get dry and flaky so fast. Lip care isn't just about looking cute. It's literally about keeping them alive. Your lip balm won't work on crusty lips, babe. You need to remove that dead skin first. Use a gentle lip scrub or a soft toothbrush. Move it in tiny circles, not like you're sanding a table. You can make your own scrub at home using sugar and honey. Cheap, cute, effective. If your lip balm isn't doing its job, throw it out. Look for one with beeswax, shea butter, or coconut oil. Not the ones that smell like bubblegum and dry out your lips 10 minutes later. Keep one everywhere. Your bag, your desk, your pillow. Yes, even next to your bed. You use sunscreen on your face, right? Well, your lips need it too. Sunburned lips are not cute. They get dark, dry, and painful. So grab a lip balm with SPF. Your lips deserve protection too, not just your selfies. Now listen carefully. Drink water. Yes, again. No, iced coffee doesn't count. If your lips are dry, your whole body is probably screaming for hydration. Water is literally free skincare. Before bed, wipe off your lipstick, then apply a thick lip mask or even coconut oil. Your lips will heal overnight and wake up softer than your favorite plushie. Trust me, it's like 8 hours of therapy for your lips. Stop licking your lips. It's not helping. Stop biting them. You're not in a Wattpad story. And don't share your lip gloss. Love your friends, but not their bacteria. If you smoke, your lips will show it. Dark, dry, wrinkled. It's giving, I need help. So if you can, cut down or quit. Your lips and lungs will thank you. And that's your lip care survival guide. Remember, your lips deserve the same love you give your skincare routine. So exfoliate, hydrate, and keep that gloss energy alive. I'm watching you.